See, this is the part the internet always fumbles. They can't tell the difference between a paid narrative and untraceable curiosity. Like, some of y'all laughing, but y'all don't even know Neuralink don't delete the mind, they archive it. You think you died?
Are calling the King's Divide. Entrepreneur Rice King has reportedly cloned himself and taken a vow of silence, a move splitting the nation.
What is being called the King's Divide?
He's funding both sides.
He's saving us. Civil unrest is escalating as the yes and no factions clash downtown.
Tonight,
entrepreneur and philanthropist Rias King, known online as Live Like Kingz, has reportedly cloned himself and taken a vow of silence.
He's funding both sides.
He's saving us.
No Kingz, vote no on 010.
Yes on 10, yes on choice.
Sources confirm that Kingz finalized a so-called sovereignty agreement with foreign investors earlier today.
They think I'm playing both sides. They're right. It's the art of war. Create an enemy for the people to fight against. Control is power. Every system resets. I just write the next one.
Why fund both sides? You're funding both sides.
It's already too late.
Civil unrest grows between the yes and no factions.
Between the yes and no factions. Kingz Biotech.
10 grand a dose. Cheaper than therapy. And it actually works.
You can sleep while your AI seals your next deal.
See the code. Be Kingz.
The rich always say money can't buy happiness. So I sold them clarity and an early funeral package. And it's cheaper than rehab.
I'll take care of you.
We'll take care of you.
This is how history remembers mercy, in contracts and signatures.
I need another dose.
Am I the only one hearing this? Mercy's just marketing with better lighting.
Vote yes for souls.
10 grand for therapy or 10 grand for peace. Either way, you end up horizontal.
You're not human anymore.
Entrepreneur Rice King has reportedly cloned himself and taken a vow of silence, a move splitting the nation.
Funding both sides of the fight. Horizontal.
Prop 010's just the beginning.
Phase 2 complete.
Wait, did he just say harvesting?
Yeah, and the price dropped to 5,000.
Link multiple deaths to the AI designer drug 010.
Yeah, and it's 10,000 a dose. Cheaper than therapy.
So, which one of you pays taxes?
Not me. I'm the write-off.
I remember when being human was a full-time job.
We'll take care of you.
Am I the only one hearing this? Mercy's just marketing with better lighting.
They said we could finally rest. No more work, no more war. They forgot to ask, who's keeping score?
No more binary bosses! No more binary bosses!
Maybe the system was never broken. It was built this way.
In tonight's segment, are your neighbors human? The suburbs were always built for mass production.
Shout out to the Kingz App upgrade. Same community, now with brains.
Kingz App upgrade just dropped.
Welcome back, y'all. I got to put you on the Kingz App upgrade. It's cleaner, faster, and it does everything. Social planning, media storage, even invoices. All of it in one place. If you run your business from your phone, this is the move. The update's live right now. Links below.
And there's nowhere to run. They took all your bread plus your cars and the crib. Was it worth it when it's all said and done? You could do it all right for some years, but you'll face the music breaking rule number.
No more binary bosses!
Good evening. An explosion downtown tonight has
Tore through an assembly of the digital sovereignty movement.
It has left one man in critical condition, and that man is believed to be Rias King, the government-issued clone whose speech earlier drew thousands.
Activist Rias King was addressing supporters.
So which clone got blown up?
Which clone got blown up?
Bro!
Some people saying he got FEMA insured. Like, you can insure a consciousness now?
Nah, because if that's the one that paid taxes, I'm switching parties.
See, this is the part the internet always fumbles.
They can't tell the difference between a paid narrative and untraceable curiosity. Like, some of y'all laughing, but y'all don't even know Neuralink don't delete the mind, they archive it. You think you die? On paper.
But the data be waiting? Flat Earth? Nah. Ice wall? Nah.
We're not panicking. The comeback is priced in. His consciousness is still at Neuralink, incubating. He just hasn't decided which version of himself we get next.
So how'd you find out?
So how'd you find out he's alive?
So how'd you find out?
Find out what?
You know, that the real Rias didn't break the vow.
Oh, that. He has that famous influence AI, the one that sings Whispers in the Rain.
Ali G?
Wait, Ali G? The pop singer that used to be a digital
Pop singer that used to be a digital
used to be a digital woman of the night that was AI?
That was AI? That was AI?
Yep, that's his consigliere.
On paper.
So
What's it like to get blown up?
You tell me. You tell me. You're the one who literally respawned.
Man, just shut the hell up and go get my suit.
Yo, I heard FEMA insured the clone. I'm switching parties.
Whoever got that deductible.
But is the new clone gonna remember getting blown up? I heard Neuralink only updates every 16 hours.
Blown up?
Y'all talk like trauma got an expiration date and don't come with no refund.
The Kingz App upgrade is live. Sleeker interface, stronger security, and real-time drop alerts so you never miss a bag.
Tap that link and level up. Bro, Kingz App just paid me 4 racks for this segment.
And I get 20 for every person I refer.
This beast lying to the internet for pennies.
Flat Earth ain't even flat.
It's hollow.
It's hollow.
Yeah, but don't let the draconians hear you say that. See, this is why you can't tell humans nothing. They gonna monetize paranoia.
Bro, flat Earth ain't flat.
The ice wall is just an iceberg.